Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to build strength while you sit on the floor. I'll try to explain this as we go, but all you do is you're just going to spend time on the floor playing around in a sitting position like so, and we are going to contralaterally load the X, and your body is an X, and we're going to load your opposite leg from your opposite arm and strengthen the X connection that is your body. So you sit on the floor and you don't want to slouch. See how my neck just got short here? You want to keep a long neck, so that means you're going to push your shoulder blades down towards your bottom, towards your butt, and that makes your neck long. And so what we're going to do is we're going to hang out on the floor with that long neck, going to bend one leg, this foot's flat on the floor, this hand's flat on the floor, and we're going to raise our body. So we're loading our opposite leg and our opposite arm, and then if you can, so now there's a load on the X and your butt's off the floor, and if you can, you're gonna raise your leg off the floor. So now we've increased the load a little bit, got a little tension going on, and here we can increase the difficulty or the challenge or the load by how we position our body. So the leg in the air is one challenge, and it might just be that this is your challenge and this is where you need to hang out and just try to build strength here. But if you can, you pick up the leg and then you start to put the leg underneath you by rotating your body. And so now we're working the angles of the X. And if you can, here's a fun little part to add some oomph to it. You take your forearm and you try to touch the floor while you keep the leg off the ground. So we're just gonna touch and then unroll or unravel and go back down to sitting. So in time, it looks like this. And this is a fun way to play. Obviously, you want to do both sides, but this is just a fun way to play to build strength through your X. And we're just filling in nooks and crannies of our strength, and we're learning how to move under tension. You should still be breathing, don't hold your breath. And obviously, if you wanted to, you can play with slow motion. And if you want to make it more difficult, you just lengthen the leg. So your levers, the length of your levers, can up the challenge, or the length of your legs if you lengthen them out. And then if you want to just do silly stuff, you can do silly stuff too. But that's all we're doing. We're sitting on the floor, we're keeping a long neck by keeping our shoulder blades down. We're contralaterally loading our body by loading this leg, this arm, the opposite arm and leg. And then we're just moving while we keep our body suspended. And just playing like this, it makes you stronger. It helps you live your life better because it just ties your body together. And what happens is it gives you the ability to move a little bit more in different areas you didn't know you had, to move a little bit more. So what I'm trying to say is being able to do stuff like this helps you to do stuff like this. And anyway, you just put your body together piece by piece by piece, or layer of strength by layer of strength, layer of strength. Does that make sense? All right, so that's our tip for this week. Spend time on the floor, contralaterally loading your limbs, because it makes you stronger, ties your X together, keeps you healthier, and allows you to do other cool stuff. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.